Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. I just got in a new product from Naturall Club and I'm so excited to share it with you. They just launched their Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer and I've been waiting for this product because it's a 3-in-1. So this product can be used as a daily hair moisturizer. It can be used as a hair primer, so you would use it before you use any of your styling products, and you can actually use it as a styler after your leave-in conditioner. So this is the product here. So the reason why I said I've been waiting for this product, if you're familiar with Naturall Club's collection, you know that all of their styling products are gels. I actually don't like to use gel in my hair. My go-to is mostly either using a styling mousse or a style setter cream. So since this product that they just released can be used as a styling hold moisturizer, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing the results that I get. So the Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer has a unique combination of ingredients. They include konjac root extract and also carob gum. So what those ingredients do are to keep the hair defined. They also help to keep the hair strands hydrated and also frizz-free. So as I mentioned, this product can be used as a 3-in-1. So firstly, if you would like to use it as a hair moisturizer, you could use it daily. You would apply it to wet or damp hair, apply it all over your hair, making sure that the hair is completely saturated with the product. You would then comb it to evenly distribute and then style it as desired. The second way that you can use it is as a curl primer. So after you complete your wash day routine, you would pair the hair moisturizer with any of your styling products, preferably Naturall Club's gel, and you would style as usual. The third way that you could use this product, which is the way that I'm going to be using it today, is as a styler itself. So after you complete your wash day routine, you would follow up by using your leave-in conditioner and then the hair moisturizer to style. And then finally, you would seal all of that moisture and hydration with your pure avocado oil. So the Thirst Quenching Hair Moisturizer comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and what makes it unique is the scent. If you have smelled any of the other Naturall Club products, you know that their scents are generally herbal. They use a lot of lavender, rosemary, sometimes mint in their products, so it's more earthy. This product, however, smells so fruity. The scent is similar to that of the aloe vera sensitive scalp solution. So if you've smelled that deep conditioner, it compares to that. It's not the same exact scent, but it's similar. I have already went ahead and completed my wash day routine. I shampooed and conditioned using the Naturall Club shampoo and conditioner, of course, and then followed up by using the aloe vera sensitive scalp solution deep conditioner because I wanted to pair the hair moisturizer with something else that smelled fruity. If you're unfamiliar with the Naturall Club products, I will leave a link below in the description box for my full wash day video, and also I will leave a link below for my best detangler video where I review the aloe vera sensitive scalp deep conditioner. So this is what my hair looks like before I add any of the products into it. I just have clean hair. So since I'm going to be using the Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer as a styling product, the first thing I want to do is apply my leave-in conditioner. So what I like to do is start by wetting my hair. So I have my spray bottle and I'm going to dampen my hair before I apply it. And now I'm going to apply the avocado leave-in conditioner. So this is the avocado leave-in conditioner. It's pretty thick, very creamy. And I'm just going to apply that all over my hair. I like to make sure that my hair is completely coated with the leave-in conditioner. After applying the product liberally through my hair, I like to make sure that I comb or brush the product through to evenly distribute it. And now I'm going to be applying the Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. You can see that the hair moisturizer comes out easily from the bottle and it has a medium consistency, so it's not too runny or too thick. When applying it to my hair, the product has a good amount of slip and I can almost immediately feel the difference in the level of moisture my hair has. I'm just applying a little bit more product to the back of my hair and to the crown of my head, which are the areas that tend to be more dry for me. You can already see that my curls are more defined and that the product has added shine to my hair. So the way that I like to style my hair is by doing twists. So I'm going to test this product's hold by doing a twist and then tomorrow taking it out. And now I'm finishing off by applying some avocado oil. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a couple flat twists in my hair, and I honestly don't really need them to be perfect. I just need my hair to be in a protective style overnight so that when I wake up my hair is completely dry and moisturized. twists are finished. I'm just gonna wait for them to fully dry, but right now my hair feels so moisturized. You can see that they're so shiny. And my hair smells amazing because of the thirst quenching hair moisturizer. So now I just want to wait for tomorrow to see how the twists come out. Hey everyone, I'm back. It is the next day and my hair is completely dry. Just by feeling my curls, there's no crunch. And my curls still feel pretty soft. So what I want to do now is apply some avocado oil to my fingertips and start taking out my twists. So I have some oil on my fingers. So I took out all of the twists from my hair. My hair is shiny, defined. I still have moisture. And look at these curls. Oh my goodness. Plus, I have added volume, which I usually never have. My hair is usually so defined when I do my twists that I don't get any volume. But this is crazy. Like, do you see this? This is amazing. So I'm definitely giving the Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer a big thumbs up. It is just completely a game changer in your hair care routine, and I definitely recommend it. All right, everyone. Well, that is it for today. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. So until next time, bye.